Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to bleed your Ford Fiesta cooling system. First, park your car on a level surface and ensure the engine is completely cool. This is crucial for safety and effectiveness. You'll also want to gather your supplies, including a spill-free funnel and the correct type of coolant. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Next, securely attach a spill-free funnel to your coolant reservoir. Begin slowly pouring in the new coolant until the reservoir is full. Once filled, start your engine and immediately turn your heater to its maximum heat setting. This helps open the heater core, allowing coolant to circulate throughout the entire system and push air out. As the engine warms up, gently squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses. This action helps dislodge any trapped air pockets within the system. You'll observe air bubbles rising through the funnel as the air escapes. Continuously monitor the coolant level in the funnel, adding more as necessary to keep it full and prevent new air from entering. Allow the engine to run until the cooling fan cycles on and off at least 2 times. This indicates the thermostat has opened and the system is fully circulating. Once complete, turn off the engine, carefully remove the funnel, and securely cap the coolant reservoir. After the engine cools completely, perform a final check of the coolant level to ensure it's at the correct mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.